Happy Saturday. It's Kevin. Lit. I'm here on the shore of the Salton Sea at Bombay Beach, and I'm going to make a hobo meal. First, I'm going to get the grill ready.
Couldn't even water ski at Salton Sea, Salton Sea.
And what I have here is about a half pound of ground beef, some baby carrots. You can chop up carrots too. I just like to save time. Chop up some potatoes, Lowry seasoned salt, and then some black pepper. Put it on that, and then I'm going to wrap this up like that, and like that, and then I'm going to go get another piece of foil. Okay, yeah, and it's best to use the heavy duty kind of foil. I'm going to wrap this up some more. Like that, and like that. It's sealed up pretty good. I'm going to do one more layer. So it's like 3 layers of aluminum, or depending on where you're from, aluminium foil. Wrap that up like that. And then we're just going to wait a little longer for the coals to be.
Like the water ski at Salton Sea. Met a doll who said definitely you should learn to water ski at Salton Sea, Salton Sea. I'll teach you to water ski at Salton Sea.
Now the charcoal is ashed over quite nicely. I'm going to take that foil pouch and stick it right on the coals. And then I'm going to do this for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll flip it over and cook the other side. Pretty easy.
When I learned to water ski at Salton Sea, Salton Sea. I will love to water ski at Salton Sea.
It's been about 20 minutes, so now we flip it over. And cook it for another 20 minutes.
When I learned to water ski at Salton Sea, Salton Sea. I will love to water ski at Salton Sea.
All right, 20 minutes have passed. So now, take it off the hot coals and let it cool down for a little bit. And then I'll peel back the aluminum foil, cut into it, and it'll be ready to eat. All right, giving this a little bit of time to cool down. It's still going to be hotter than hell. But take the tongs. What I'm going to do is start to carefully peel back the layers of aluminum foil. And put it on the plate here. It will be kind of greasy unless you get the really lean ground beef. Ooh, yeah, and it's still hotter than hell. Get some of that out of the way. Alright, to get it open, I kind of chop up the ground beef, mix it up a little bit. Let's get that back in there. And there you have it. Got the ground beef, the carrots, and the potatoes all cooked to perfection. Time to dig in and enjoy. And in a little while, it'll be sunset.